So here is a AI video editor I've vibe coded on a Sunday in a few hours, and it's honestly fascinating what you can do nowadays with just a few prompts and some knowledge, I guess. So just to show you how it works, basically you can drop your video, it uploads it, it transcribes it, and then you can either mark text manually, which you want to remove, or you can also use AI, obviously. So we can select remove filler words, then analyze transcript, and then you can see it marks those two as filler words. All right, so this is a short video, by the way. And then we can select here to apply the edits. So they're not applied yet. And now the video is processed and we can download it. And then we can... So I have found this... And yeah, as you can see, like the first part, all right, so is cut out successfully. So yeah, this at least works. So this is just one session, and we'll probably improve it a little bit and try to make it such that it really edits and cuts my videos how I want them to be cut. Because I think this is the highest leverage. Like once you have broken down your process on cutting videos, you can likely also teach it to AI. But yeah, that's it. That's my Sunday. I hope you have a great Sunday as well, and see you. Bye bye.